blood clot paperwork what I'm supposed to do. I get every money, me check off every stock, I collect every blood clot thing. And any word when me no know, me Google it. I'ma ask them, what is this word? What is the meaning? It not shorten my life. It not stop me from doing shit, bitch. Me not ask you. We're fully done, son, happy. Yeah, outside? Inna the girl them outside. That must say. You come with a big blood clot education like you. Listen, I don't want this up your blood clot, you know. We save my son earth. My more than son earth coffee. So you feel like me go come pan live and go like some of the earth? Remember normally when me argue and laugh. Me not laugh. If you talk about something about me, talk about something about me. Don't talk about my education because me am one girl will make people know say education is not a must. It's great to have it. It's very good to have it. But if you don't have it, it's not the end of the blood clot world. So me not like bitches come on them net and come on them media and go like say them better than people, kind of better than no blood clot body. Nobody else. So what's up looking bird food. I will. You see tomorrow? Cause me go watch it again, you know. Me go watch it again, forget upset again, and me go write off my things that me go say, you know. And me I tell her, so she go up on her radio show and mention about me just want to know just. And when she say, I'm not going to answer to that, and come up with our big words there, and say, I'm not going to answer to that, this, that, just link me. Wanna just screen record it and send it to me. Just screen record it and send it to me. Because as much as me, alright, I have my things, the me no company internet and floss and hype and people don't have it. Our hype and girl were broke. And hype and girl with this. Me no come and me no dump and the broke bitch them. We have to walk and a suck and a this and a that and a that. Me no come and live and go on so. And you can't a blood clot and give young people advice and talking about women empowerment and you're disrespecting young ladies about education, which enough for we cannot have it. And you could have never did no blood clot have it neither. No man no want you. Remember from your young, you're big and favor walk. You favor Peppa Pig from your young. You see when you're young, are you nice, are you little bit, and you're cute, you will have your little boyfriends. So your boyfriend will distract you from your schoolwork. But you see when you're big and you're fat and you're swatty, you just not have nothing boy, you're ugly, nothing boy, you no look. You know what you have to do? Focus on your book and you have nothing more to look at you're bored. So that she do from she blood clot young. That's why she have her education. No make she trick you like she come out and say yes she have deal with her book. I never say it go. I never saw she start it. She never have no blood clot choice. Make she show you one picture when she young. Make she show you one picture when she young and she feel one queen size blood clot bed. No make she feel, make her no feel like say yeah. She sit down and she go school and she go every class. She never have no blood clot talk. She never have no choice. She had to. She never look up at her waist, never find her uniform, never night on her plate, them never set blood clot good. Nobody never look on her, nobody at all. So she did have to pick up her blood clot book and get her education. She not no choice. And when she get her 1 and 2 look up blood clot money now, she do body. Why? Since you're so perfect, why you do your body? Why you never stay like a runabout? Me never say me perfect, somebody have to get my little water shape away. But, being that you were so perfect, baby girl, why you never just stay how you stay? Why you never just stay like a blood clot roundabout? Why you never just stay like one football field? Why you never just stay just like that? Hey, I will disrespect this bitch, you know. May I tell you, say, sit you, me just see the video. I'ma watch it. Me I wonder if I mean I watch the right one. Cause 6 minutes now, I can't sit down and watch something for 6 minutes now. So I can't sit down and watch something for 6 blood clot minutes now. I skip through, I wait for my name, I wait for a look into, I wait for something till somebody screen record it me and say I never see it come on live so merry and so nice. So I ask you a question. You don't really feel like so she could have said something about me and me come on live nice and merry and me not attack she? I tell her say no, me not really trouble people. When I really have the whole heap of followers, I'm gonna start to the business and whatever. She have enough followers and stuff, so I can start pan her. I see tomorrow a different blood clot settings, cause I me and her at it. Me I go through her page and me and start from when it just start till now. Me I write down my things them in my book and write them in a line. Me I go back to like a dirty girly. Come as a true the things some just nice and just feel like anybody can just jump on my back proof and just drop and I just eat that. Zany, it past drape me. It past drape me. Know why? A lot of persons were saying it. Wally yep. And why am me alone you jump on? Why? Even the girl when me dey on live which she say too. A whole heap of people say why am me you jump on?